Hi everyone, today I want to share with you my cocoa ball recipe. It's a recipe that I came up with just about by mistake because I was trying to make my lemon bars, the ones that I make with the nuts and dates, and I ended up processing my nuts too much to the point that there was like a flour. And so I was like, what do I do with this? And so I was like, oh, let's try putting something else and see what it comes out. So I'm going to show you today how I make them because I really love them and I want everybody to be able to make them. So I'm going to need a food processor. I'm going to need a cup of cashew, half a cup of almonds, 3 cups of dates. There's only 2, bit more. About a 1/4 teaspoon of almond flavoring, a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. I prefer to use the raw organic one, but if you don't have it, use whatever you have. And my Jolly, the Tangerine essential oil. Okay, and let's see how I make it. So I'm going to put this down so you can see exactly what I do. So here is your cup of cashews, your cup of almonds, half a cup, I keep saying wrong, and I'm going to process them to the point that they will become almost. Let's see, a little bit more. The finer the better. Okay, so my hands are clean. I clean them with my own guard soap, and you can see it's practically almost like a flour. Okay, so now I'm going to add my dates. This is 2 cups, so I have to add another cup beside this. So I made sure to check each date for pits, because even if I buy my organic pitted dates, sometimes I do end up with pits in them, and you don't want to have pits. So I'm going to check these other ones that I'm going to put. And you want it to be, you want to smash it in. Oops, let's see if I can. Oh, I can do it. So I'll do it here. So I'm checking that there's no pits. No pits, no pits. No pits, no pits. Okay. You want your cups of dates to be nice and compact. Okay, there's no pits, so you can see I pretty much squeezed it in so that it would be my full cup. So that makes 3 cups of dates. Okay, and I'm going to start processing it a little. Like that, and I'm going to add my cocoa powder, half a cup. If you like it more chocolatey, you can add a little extra cocoa powder. And since I like to have the flavor of the almond, as I said, whoops, no, that's not good. 1/4 teaspoon, but I'm just going to do it like this. But that should be it. just to give it a little bit of that aroma. And 10-15 drops of tangerine essential oil, okay? A little more. I like it very tangerine-y. Already smell it. So good. I am using doTERRA tangerine essential oil because I trust their purity, and they have supplement facts on the bottle, which means that they can be used internally, but naturally you don't want to drink the whole bottle. As you can see, I put those 15 drops in here, but it's going to make a lot of chocolate balls. So in the end, when you eat a chocolate ball, you're not even going to have a quarter of a drop of essential oil in your body, okay? So let's mix it up. You just let it keep going until it forms a compact ball. If it doesn't look like it's forming it, you add a few more dates, because it depends on how dry your dates were, okay? Check it. Oops. Down. I'll add a couple more dates because it doesn't look. These dates were a little bit more dry than usual. You can't go wrong by adding more dates. And the softer the dates, the better, because they have more moisture in it. So like these ones, they're the best. Like if you are using the medjool date, those are really sweet and soft, so you need less. Okay, let's see if this works. I'm going to practically add a few more. I had really dry dates this time. Okay, just for the video. So let's add a few more. As I said, you can go wrong adding more. It all depends on the moisture of your dates, okay? Again, I'm still checking that there is no pits. And now it's starting to really look like it, as you can see. Nice. We'll let it go a little bit more. Let me divide it because it looks like it's not happy. My hands are clean. Okay, I really washed it with On Guard soap, so I'm sure that I'm clean. But if you don't want to use your hands, just use a spatula. Okay. Seems good. Okay. So I have it right here. I'm going to. And what I like to do, once I have my compost like this, it's actually measure it with a scale, okay? And I will measure it so that it's 15 grams. Almost there. Which is the equivalent to half an ounce, okay? And then all I do, I make my nice chocolate balls, okay? And I will put them in a container. Now, I mean, they could be eaten like this, but I really like to freeze them, okay? So here I'm making another 15, half an ounce, 15 grams ball. Just like this. So it just takes the patience to make them, okay? Now you can freeze them, or you could wrap them in some candy paper for gifts, okay? Let's see. So here you have it. It's extremely simple. And the nice thing is that when you are enjoying one of these bowls, you are not having any refined sugar. Again, they're gluten-free, dairy-free, and because of all the enzymes and the fibers in the dates and in the nuts, it's something that your body will process better, and so it just will be better for you. Surely you don't want to eat a lot of them. I usually only eat 1 or 2 because really that's all I need to satisfy my sweet tooth, and just that's it. That's the way to enjoy them. So I hope you like them, and if you would like me to share more recipes with you, just let me know. I just enjoy using my essential oils to make my recipes so much more flavorful and healthier and just more enjoyable, okay? I wish you a wonderful day and see you next time.